This vehicle is a Campervan reimagined. We've made a layout that works so much better and gives you an incredible feeling of space inside a vehicle that's really not that big. Hi there, welcome to Sussex Campervans. I'm Daniel. Filming today again at Sumners Ponds. Check the link in the description. And I've got something fantastic to show you today. You're going to love it. A while ago we released this. This is our Nissan CamperBus. Let me show you what we've done this time. See, this vehicle's great, but it's still that classic side kitchen layout. This is the CamperBus Duo. It gives you so much more than the CamperBus Classic. This vehicle performs an amazing feat. It's shorter than a short wheelbase VW camper on the road. Inside, this is actually longer than the long wheelbase variant. Width-wise, this is about 9 inches, 21 centimeters narrower, ideal for those narrow Cornish roads. These vehicles are built for adventure, and they're so easy to drive. Petrol, automatic, ULEZ compliant. If you can drive, you can drive one of these. Let's pop the pop top. Sussex Campervan's pop tops come with a front panoramic window. This window is made from the same stuff they use on soft top sports cars. The lounge area of this CamperBus Duo is a fantastic place to be. It feels so convivial and so homely. So you've got 2 front-facing single seats with seat belts, 3 recline positions, and you've also got this central ottoman. This is great for storage as well as being a bench seat. There's room in here for a chemical toilet. You can have this here overnight, even with the full king-size bed down, so you'll never get caught short. I should mention, these vehicles come as standard with twin sliding doors, which means whichever side you park, there's always a door near the road. And that's more important than you think, especially with young children. Shall I show you how easily this turns into a bed? Actually, you can use it lots of different ways. Pushing this lever releases the bed to slide, and that's a single bed down for the night. Or you can have this as an L-shaped seating area as well. Do the same thing the other side. 2 single beds, and these infills make up the king-size double. You know, this bed's wide, but it's also long. You could be 7 foot tall and be comfortable in a CamperBus Duo, and as 2 single beds, each person can get up without disturbing the other. You could fry the breakfast in the morning. We've worked hard to make a perfect kitchen in the rear of the CamperBus Duo. We've got a 50-litre fridge with room for 4 pints of milk, proper ice box. There's a microwave you can use whether you're on or off electric hookup. Induction cooking, stainless steel sink with a tap you can pull out as well for using as a shower to wash the dog. There's a substantial battery store which charges when you're driving along, charges from the solar panel on the roof, and charges when you're plugged in either at home or on a campsite. Everything's controlled on this very simple to understand panel. This controls the inverter that gives you that mains power. There's a switch for everything. No touch screens, no fiddling about. We supply you with an instruction manual, but you hardly need it. You've got USB charging, we've got cigar lighter charging. You can see how much power you've got. We'd love to help you on your journey to getting a campervan. Have you read the Essential Campervan Buyer's Guide yet? It's now in its 11th edition. If you haven't, I would like to give you one. Click the link below, fill in your details, and we will post you one of these within the UK. It's 105 pages full of information, stories, tips and tricks, insider stuff that will really help you as you're thinking about owning your very own campervan. When designing this new model, we've really tried to bring together all of our experience of what it's actually like to be in a campervan. Little spaces like this where you can put camping essentials, cupboards accessible from the back of the vehicle, cupboards which are accessible from both sides. You can get to this from inside and you can get to it easily from around the back. Here's something I've always wanted myself. You know when you've tossed a nice big salad and you're trying to cook the main dinner and there's nowhere to put it? How about this? This is an ingenious little idea, just an extra bit of worktop that flaps up. Did I mention all that kitchen's accessible even when the beds are down for the night? Well, what do you think? Has it got your name on it? 4 or 6 belted road seats, a proper full-featured rear kitchen, full-time mains power, ULEZ compliant, automatic, easy to drive, all in a package that's shorter than a VW camper and narrower as well, but bigger on the inside. It's the ultimate TARDIS really, isn't it? I think you should come and see us at Sussex Campervans. Give us a call, 01403 336369. Click to like and subscribe on this video as well. I'd love to show you my other stuff. And come over and see us. We'd love to welcome you to our place in the Horsham countryside, make you a decent coffee. We might even have time to give you a tour of our factory and introduce you to the guys making the product. We do everything on site, you know. There's so much to see. Look forward to seeing you soon.